Hello dear students, welcome back to e-learning class of PNMC High School. Let's continue some other statistical function of chapter number 7.
Next function is largest value. The large function returns the kth largest numeric value found in the given set of values x. The general form is equal to large inside the round bracket x, k, where x denotes the range of cells containing some numeric values and k is the position. This function considers the numbers specified in the range in a descending order and number at kth position is returned. You can set the k argument to any integer value you like, but it must not be 0 or larger than the number of elements in the given set of numbers. Next function is smallest value. The small function returns the kth smallest numeric value found in the given set of values x. The general form is equal to small inside the round bracket x, k, where x denotes the range of cells containing some numeric values and k is the position. This function considers the numbers specified in the range in an ascending order and number at kth position is returned. Next function is rank. The rank function returns the rank of given number in the given set of numbers. You need to provide three things. First, a value for which you need to find position. Second, the set of values. And third, order of the sorting. The function will sort the values from the indicated set of values in ascending or descending order and returns the positions first, second, third, and so on of the given number. Syntax of rank is equal to rank inside the round bracket number, set, order. This function is maximum function. The max function can take up to 30 arguments and returns the largest number among them. The syntax of max function is equal to max inside the round bracket x1 colon x100 or equal to max inside the round bracket x1 comma x2 up to x30. This function is minimum function. The main function can take up to 30 arguments and returns the smallest number among them. The syntax of minimum function is equal to mean inside the round bracket x1 colon x100 or equal to mean inside the round bracket x1 comma x2 up to x30. Next function is a logical functions. Calc provides logical function that suppose logical decision making. Logical functions are used to build complex formulas and function. First one is a true function. True function returns the logical value true. The syntax is equal to true function. Second one is a false function. False function returns the logical value false. The syntax is equal to false function. Next is a not function. Not function negates logical value, so false becomes true and true becomes false. The syntax is equal to not function. Example equal to not 6 is not equal to 6 returns true. Second equal to not 1 equal to 1 returns false. Next function is a AND function. The result of a AND function is true if all the conditions or arguments results in true as well. The syntax is equal to AND condition 1, condition 2 up to condition 30. Here the arguments are conditions, each capable of resulting itself in either true or false. Last logical function is a OR function. The result of OR function is true if at least one of the conditions tested is true. The syntax is equal to OR condition 1, condition 2 up to condition 30. Here the arguments are conditions each capable of resulting itself in either true or false.
Next function is a string function. The string functions are generally used for formatting the document. First function of a string is concatenate function. The concatenate function can join up to 30 strings of text. The general form of the function is concatenate text1, comma text 2 up to text 30. Instead of concatenate function, you may also use ampersand sign. Example, equal to concatenate inside the round bracket ice, comma cream, or equal to ice ampersand cream. Both the above will return a string ice cream. In case if you want to add space between ice and cream, you may add ampersand sign.
Next string function is a lower function. Lower function turns all given characters into a lowercase. The general form of the function is equal to lower inside the round bracket text. For example, equal to lower inside the round bracket in inverted comma school returns school. Next function is upper function. Upper function turns all given characters into a uppercase. The general form of the function is equal to upper inside the round bracket text. For example, equal to upper inside the round bracket school returns school. Function is a proper function. Proper function turns the first alphabets from all the given characters into uppercase and the remaining into lowercase. The general form of the function is equal to proper inside the round bracket text. Example, equal to proper inside the round bracket is school returns school. Next function is Roman and Arabic function. Roman function converts the number provided into its equivalent Roman number. The syntax is Roman inside the round bracket number, comma mode. Roman numerals can only present numbers from 0 to 3999. The second argument of the function is about such mode of representation. Value could be 0, 1 or 3. Arabic function considers a Roman number as its argument and converts the number into an Arabic number. Next function is a trim function. Trim function removes extra spaces from string. That is, if you type trim I space love my school, the output will be I love my school. Next function is exact function. Exact function compares two strings and returns 1 if they are exactly the same or 0 if they are not. The syntax is exact S1, S2. Next function is a left, right and mid function. There are two substring functions in Calc, one for left side substring and another for right side substring. The left function returns the first character from the string or a specified number of n characters starting from the left. Syntax of a left function is equal to left text, comma n. Example equal to left Ram Dashrath Bhai Patel, comma 3 return Ram.
Next is a right function. The right function returns the last characters or a specified number of n characters from end. Syntax of a right function is equal to right inside the round bracket text comma n. Example equal to right Ram Dashrath Bhai Patel, comma 5 will return Patel. Next is a mid function. Calc provides utility to find middle of a string. Syntax mid text comma start comma n. To exact middle name from the arguments given in the function. Example equal to mid Ram Dashrath Bhai Patel, comma 5 comma 13 will return Dashrath Bhai. Next function is a length function. The length function returns the length of the given string. The general form is len text. Example equal to len inside the round bracket ram will return 3.
Next function is time and date functions. Calc offers functions for time and date calculations. For calculation that involve shorter period, you may use time function. For longer period, you may use date functions. First function of time and date is today's date. The today function returns value for today's date stored in your computer. Today's function without argument syntax equal to today function. Next function is a date function. The date function returns the valid date for given numbers for year, month and day. Example equal to date 2020, 1, 1. Then the function will return 1/1/2020. Syntax equal to date, year, month, day. Next function is a day function. Day function is used to convert a date given in any recognizable format into a day of the month. Example, if today's date is 9th July 2013 equal to day, today function, then the function will return 9. Function is a month function. The month function is used to convert a valid date into the month number. Example, month, date 2020, 7, 9. It will return 7.
Next one is a year function. The year function is used to convert a valid date into the year number. For example, equal to year, date 2020, 7. It will return 2020. Next function is a days function. Days function calculates the number of days between two dates. Syntax of days function is equal to days end date, start date returns the number of days. Next function is a now function. The now function returns value for the today's date and time stored in your computer. Now is a function without argument. Syntax of now function is equal to now function. Next function is a weeks function. The weeks function calculates the number of weeks between the two dates. Syntax of a weeks function is equal to weeks t1, t2, week type. Here 0 indicates weekly intervals. Instead 0 you can use calendar weeks indicated by 1. Example equal to weeks date 9, 7, 2019 semicolon date 9, 7, 2020, 0. Last function of time and date function is days in year function. The days in year function returns the number of the days in the year presented by given date within the function. For example, equal to days in year date 2020, 7, 9. It will return 365. I hope you have understood all the topics of chapter number 7. Thank you, students.